How to attach a folder on Outlook email. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily attach any folder on your Outlook email. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Outlook mail, whether it's on the app or website. Once you have it open, all you need to do is click on this new email button to compose a new email. Now you're going to have to add a receiver. You can send it to yourself if you want, or you could just add other people. Add a subject, so let's just add something like important files. Let's just say folder in this case. Now here, in order to attach any folder, you can just go to the Insert tab. Then you can click on this Attach File option, browse this computer, and you'll get the link right here. So let's say if I want to go ahead and upload this folder called Pictures, or the files folder where I have all these files, and I want to send all of them at once. I'm not able to select it because Outlook does not allow you to select an entire folder directly. So what you're going to have to do is locate the folder that you want to send. In my case, it is this one on my desktop. You can just right click on it and then go to compress to and compress it to a zip file. Now you'll get this zip file right here on your desktop. Now all you have to do is just go back here, click on Insert and Attach File. You could either upload it to your OneDrive, that's alright as well. You can directly share a folder from your OneDrive, but in my case, I'll just upload the entire folder as a zip file. So here is the zip file that I've just created. I'll just copy it, and then you'll be able to send it. Now just click on the Send option, and you're good to go. In order to check your sent email, you can just tap on the drop down and find your sent email, and you should be able to get it. Now that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.